I'm going to take a minute to go over your phonics skill for this week. This week you are working with patterns that make the long E sound. The long E sound is E, like in the word feet. So whenever we make the long E sound, our mouth should make a small smile and our top and bottom teeth should touch. So say that sound at home. E. Now, there are 6 different patterns that can make that long E sound. So we're going to talk about where we find these patterns in words. Let's start with E all by itself. Sometimes E all by itself will say E, but it needs to be at the end of a syllable to make that long E sound. For example, the word be has the E right at the end because it's at the end of the syllable. Some other examples are we and between. Another pattern that can make that long E sound is EY, and this pattern is found at the end of words, like in the word key. EA is another pattern that says E, and this is usually found in the middle of the word, but every now and then it can be found at the beginning or at the end. Some examples are words like peach, feast, and reason. EE also says E, and this pattern is usually found in the middle of a word, but it could also be found at the end. For example, you have the word speech and the word breeze that uses the EE pattern in the middle, and then there's the word be where the EE pattern is found at the end. Another pattern we're talking about is IE, and this pattern is usually found in the middle of a word, and some examples of that is the word thief and the word chief. And the last pattern that you'll be working with this week is Y at the end of words. So this is when Y acts as a vowel. It's going to make that long E vowel sound, like in the word happy, family, and empty. So this week you are going to practice reading, writing, sorting, and spelling words that make the long E sound. I hope you all have a great week. Bye.